Hello, this is Sharif Abu Zaid, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can customize the account page or the default account page of Surecart to include access to your Learndash courses. So instead of having this default page as an account page, you can customize it to be something like this that includes all the enrolled courses of this student. So this account page in the first tab, this tab will include only the courses that this particular student has enrolled to or has purchased. And also you can include another tab that include the other courses. These are the other courses that this student hasn't purchased or hasn't enrolled on. Of course, you can use this as a tactic to upsell your current students with the other courses that you have in maybe in your online courses website or your membership website. But still you will have, or your students will have access to their downloads, subscriptions and orders, and also the account details, which are the default tabs that you will find in this default account page. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a custom dashboard that looks something like this. But before I show you how you can do this, please consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because this video is part of my 100 video creation challenge, where I publish a video to YouTube every single day for 100 days. So your subscription will be a great support for me during this challenge. Now let me show you how you can customize this default page or this default account page. The first step that we need to take is to click edit page, and here we can start by changing the default template of this page. And you can find this under the page. You will find the template. Here you need to click this and choose the default template. What does this will make is that it will change the default template of this page to look like the default template of your theme. Let me show you what I mean. So when you click update here, and now let's go to the page itself and let's click refresh. And here you'll find that the layout of the page has changed according to your theme settings. So now let's go back to edit the page again, and the next step we'll do is that we need to maybe delete the customer dashboard, and then we need to add another block called the tabbed account or the tabbed customer dashboard. So let's click here and search for tabbed. This is the tabbed customer dashboard. This is the default page or the default block that comes with Surecart. And let's click or let's close this tab. And here we can make many changes. Let me show you how you can include the Learndash courses inside this page. So let's go to this tab or let's change this tab name to your courses. And here when you click the plus button, you search for grid, and this is the Learndash course grid. This comes with Learndash. This is an add-on, so make sure that you are activating the course grid Learndash add-on. And here you can find the options of this grid. Maybe you can change to the columns to be something like 2 columns. And also the query, and this is important, the query should include all the enrollment status. It should include the enrolled courses. So this list will include only the courses that this student has access to. And of course you can change some elements. Maybe I don't like the ribbon, I change it from here. I don't like to include the data. I just like to change it from here, and maybe include the progress bar. So this is the default page. Now this tab will include the courses of this student. I'm not going to show you how you can go through all the settings of the course grid, because this is a topic for another video. But I think you can handle it. Maybe you can change the columns to be like 2 columns, so it looks better now. Yes, and let's change this, or let's hide this filter name. I like it to be like this. Again, if you like to include the other courses, you just click this tab and change it to be other courses. And here you can click the tab again and also include the Learndash course grid. But instead, inside the query, instead of having the all courses, you just choose not enrolled. And of course, you can make the other changes. So let's, for the element, let's hide the ribbon, let's hide the meta, and let's hide the filter. And for the styles, nothing to be done here. And let's make sure that the columns are 2 columns. So these are the courses that this student hasn't enrolled into. If you like to make this like the first tab, you simply choose it and you move it up here. And let's move this one to be above here. Now we have the courses tab and the other courses. Now, if you like to include the downloads and subscriptions and orders, there is an easy trick to do this. You simply go to the Surecart knowledge base, and here you search for the customer dashboard shortcodes, which will lead you to this article. These are all the shortcodes that you can take. Let me show you how you can do this. When you just copy this my subscriptions shortcode, and let's go back to the page again, and let's create a new tab and call this one subscriptions, and let's add the shortcode block. So let's click here and let's search for shortcode, and let's include this shortcode, and let's click update, and let's click view the page. And now the page includes the other courses, our courses, and also the subscriptions tab, which will list all the subscriptions tab. You can do the same with the downloads. So let's take the downloads shortcode from here, and let's go to the page and create a new tab, and let's call this one downloads, and let's search for the shortcode block, and let's add the downloads here. And maybe you would like to move this to be under the other courses, and subscriptions to be like under the downloads. And of course, again, we can add here maybe the tab for the orders. So let's change this to be like orders, and let's take the shortcode of orders here, which is here. Let's take this from here, and let's add a shortcode. Let's add it here, and let's click update, and let's click refresh. Let's go to this courses. This is the courses. Of course, you can add maybe something like, if you like to add like a title for this page, you can simply go here and choose the make sure that you're choosing the tab and show customer dashboard, and click insert before, and let's add your dashboard heading, and let's centralize this and click update, and let's go here and click update, and this is the dashboard. So this is how you can customize the default page of the Surecart to include access to your Learndash courses. Hopefully you find this video useful. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up, and also please consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel to support me during my 100-day video creation challenge for my YouTube channel. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.